Hi everybody, I'm Omid and I come back with another amazing tips inside the Power Query. Consider this example which is related to challenge number 320. You can go on my LinkedIn page and find this challenge and see a bunch range of solutions using Power Query, Excel, Python and other languages. But today we are going to address this challenge using Power Query. In this challenge, we have question ID that provided by AW, then number of 0, and then ID is provided at the end. We are going to remove AW and 0 before the ID. It's really easy, but I'm going to address this challenge using two different scenarios. In the first scenario, all the question ID started by AW. So to remove AW, I can select this column, go to the Home tabs and say replace value AW in uppercase with nothing and press OK. By doing this, AW would be removed and now we have the remaining part, which is in type text. By replacing the type from text to the whole number, you can see that the initial 0 is removed. If you prefer to handle the situation in another columns, if we go back to these steps and from add columns, say add a custom columns, namely clean. In the clean version, I can say text remove or text replace. Let's follow the text replace one. I will come back with text.remove. In the question ID, let's say AW should be replaced by nothing and press OK. Yeah, in this version, AW is removed, and if I modify the formula by providing number.from, it means that let's convert the result values into the number and pressing OK, you can see that the 0 at the beginning is removed. But in this example, all the question ID started by AW. What if some of them started with another character? Let's see how we can handle it. I copy this one, go to the home and say enter data to create the second scenario example. In the last one, instead of AW, I will say let's provide MN, or here let's say B lowercase and say OK. In this example, we cannot follow the previous way because there is no unique characters for all the cases, but instead we can say that remove any texts at the beginning of these IDs. So let's select this one and add a custom column. In the custom column, we can use text remove, which is amazing function. Say on the question ID, remove, for example, let's say A. Let's say comma. You can see that here the second argument can become as any. So if I write A here, let's see what is the result. It's going to remove A. If I write A and B, or let's say lower B, see this one. See, you can input any texts here inside this list and remove from question ID. If the variation is too much, we can say A dot Z, means that all the characters from A to Z. But you know that Power Query is case sensitive, so it do not remove B from here. So let's go back here, let's say comma, lower A and dot lower Z. By doing this, you can see that the initial texts are removed, and by selecting this column, going home and say convert it to the whole number, you can see the result become in a clean version. If you prefer to apply this modification on the question ID column directly, instead of adding a new column, we can remove these steps back here on the question ID. But there is no predefined command that we can say remove the, for example, all the texts, all the text characters. To do this, we can go to the transform part and pick any transformation here. For example, we can say apply uppercase on these columns. It's going to uppercase all the values here based on this formula, table.transform columns. And this is a formula we apply, text.upper. Let's remove this part and use our formula, text remove. So here we should say that remove for every item here. To do this, we add each before it and use underscore here. Underscore means every single value here. And what should be removed? Capital A dot capital Z, comma, lower a dot lower z, and see the result. Yeah, it is work. And in this formula also we can say that use number from. Yeah, the problem is solved, but instead of using text.remove, we can revise the formula by using text.select. It's different in every single text. Instead of removing the text character, we can say that select the number character 0 dot 9. The result would be the same as you can see. Or in another scenario, you can go back here, and as the texts are in the first two characters in all the IDs, you can go to the transform, select the extract, and under range, say that from the second character, actually the indexing starts from 0, so this is the character with index 0, 1, and this is with index 2. By providing 2 as a starting point, as an large number as number of character, and pressing OK, you can say that remove the first two character and then convert the values in type number.